This is about the organization. Our organization is very good. Our organization is 20 years old company, MSME company since 2001, and it's a Make in India entrepreneur company. We got a registered office in Theni. Most of you may not aware of Theni. The prominent place near to Madurai, Theni is Madurai, which is about 60 kilometers connected to airport and Madurai station, railway station. And we got a very good strong presence with over 20 countries. We got strong global presence with over about 20 countries across 6 continents we have. And we have about 102 staffs for marketing and sales, manufacturing, and support services. And our product range is one of the excellent, probably one of the few companies matches our product profile. We have over 700 plus product and services, and we are JTD bronze certified company. Again, I think some 20-25 people only in the states got JTD certified company, and we are one among them. And we are very proud to say we are the only company in our products that is construction chemical certified under the national database with CADC. CADC is what? CADC is Construction Industrial Database Council, where all the projects run by Government of India, roughly about 7 to 8 lakh crores. Now the project is ongoing. So these projects are monitored by CADC Council.
Hey
And
WebEx fans,
probably
today we'll
in
be covering how to
late
disable the
future,
beep noise you hear
probably
when attendees
CADC
enter
or
your
Government of
meeting.
India,
Next, let's talk
maybe
about
they
how to
may
disable the
got the
beep
clause
noise when
that
attendees enter a
the
meeting.
vendor should have
To do this, you'll need
the
to go to your
empanelment
WebEx
in CADC
preferences by
database.
visiting this URL here,
So we are very
which is
lucky to have enrollment in the national database. And also, additionally, that we are very proud to say we are one of the 38 members, board members, empaneled in the board members also. Our fellow members are Indian Oil Corporation Chairman, ONGC Chairman, CPWD Director General, all very big profile people are the board of members, and we are very privileged and blessed to have you on the board of the CITC. This opens up the opportunity lot of this only opened up lot of opportunities for the company to enter into the new zones. Talking about board of directors, myself Ramesh Kannayan, I'm the managing director of the company and I have 35 years of experience. And total 35 years I spent my total career, almost we can say one third of my life I spent in this career only. And there is no deviation. 15 years I worked in various organizations, various capacity. And for 20 years I'm running this company. My partner is Sheetal Ramesh, my wife, partner in life and partner in company. So she's taking care of administration and she's backing me with all the backend operations. And the recently very freshly inducted guy is my son Surya Ramesh. He's a son of our myself and my son basically, and he's very good. And as I explained to you, he's not inducted because he's my son. He's proven last couple of years during this online classes. He supported me in exports. He's done a very good job. On that qualification and merit, he has been inducted to the company. Now he is going for his UG studies for UK. This is a rough brief about all of us that I have explained to you. This is basically our organization chart. Managing director, director, me handling the front-end operations, being the marketing and sales, after-sales service, field marketing and sales, field after-sales service, all front-end operation taken care of me. And my wife, as I told you, she supports me in the back-end operations, like manufacturing, technical side, finance and administration, these areas. So basically, we got a very good team, revenue staffs and expenditure staffs. Both we have very good team. So marketing and sales, we have this team. They are all with us for a very long time. Almost Mr. N.J. Pandian is with us for the last 15 years. So many people, Mr. Pandya, many people are with us more than 10 plus years. And so we have a very good team and we have a very good export team and we have a very good global tenders team where they participate all the tenders across the world and they give us orders from companies like Indian Army, Indian Navy, Coast Guard, Ordnance Factory, and very blue chip clients like Saint Gobain, Asian Paints, and Central Public Sector Enterprises. So we are kind of having a monopoly with these clients. So these are the other areas we are trying to recruit the revenue staffs. All very innovative products, very innovative area. We can say we play a kind of monopolyness in all these products. The slides to come, I'll explain you our product range. This is again another team. We have a support services team who supports totally marketing and sales team. And we have a service team, after sales service team, who take care of the jobs after getting orders. They take care of jobs at the site, execution of successful completion of the job. Here I may say something like even the big corporates, I do not name the company, the big corporates hesitate to take the order directly and they don't give guarantee or warranty. But we, being a MSME company, we take the orders directly and with the warranty and guarantee. Generally, what happens, the corporates, they take the order, the sales part, they give it to distributor. And the application part, they give it to applicators. Some problem arises means the distributor says it's application mistake. The applicator says it is a dealer distributor mistake. And the company raises the hands. But here we take the complete responsibility and depending on the product, we stand warranty and guarantee. So again, our team extends to the expenditure staffs, technical team, very strong technical team. Mr. Rajaram is the brain side of our products. He is with us again for more than 15 years. Manufacturing HOD, Mr. Rajendran, who is again 15 plus experience. And purchase team, all we have a very strong team for manufacturing and purchase, stores and logistics, everything. Here is the administration staff for finance and accounts. Mr. Madhusami is HOD. And Internet of Things, IT things are handled by Mr. Muthukumar. And including the designs, what you are seeing is done by my colleague Mr. S.M. Prabhu. HR and admin is handled by Mr. Balakrishnan. So truly speaking, this is industry for all industries. We talk about industry, like recently we have heard other news about Ford India may get closed in India. We are not sure, but I'm just talking on the paper reports, media reports. If suppose such particular industry is closed, the auto ancillary, depending on the Ford India, will get affected. The same case with many companies. They're depending on one particular sector. Whereas Monarch Industrial Products India Private Limited is like a industrial doctors. We are the industrial doctors. The industry comes to us with a headache. You know how we go to the doctors for headache, for the stomach pain, for surgery, for any heart-related problems, cardiac problems. Like that, industry problem comes to us. Industry guys comes to us with their problem. It problem may be small, the problem may be big. Ultimately, we are into everything: mechanical side, electrical side, civil side, fire and safety, instrumentation. We are touching everyday life of the industry. As you can see, we are covering 30 industries totally. The first one you can see is fully automobiles. Two-wheeler, three-wheeler, full automobile. Second thing, we are touching the media also, advertising and media industry also, movies and entertainment. Third, we are touching airport services, aerospace. Fourth is breweries and distilleries, sugar industry we are touching. Fifth one, we are touching cement and cement products. They are very strong. We are regular supplier to Ramco Cement, ACC. And coming back to next one, touching coal and mining. We are into chemicals. We are into construction engineering and allied industries. We are into consumer electronics. We are into copper, non-ferrous metal, copper, zinc, bronze, everything. We are into defense. I proudly said we are into. We are partner to Indian Navy, Ordnance Factory, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, and Navy and military engineering services. So we are very proud to say that we are playing a role of all the defense parties. And about education products also, we are into education sectors also. We are servicing into the school buildings. Coming back to again bank insurance and bank sectors also we are covering. We take care of their assets. And coming to hotels, restaurants, we are into that again. And all the foodstuffs, edible oils, food and beverages, non-alcoholic beverages, we are into that. We are into fertilizers, we are into consulting services. Engineers India Limited, we are registered. We are registered with Mecon Limited. We are registered with EPIL, Engineering Projects India Limited. Then coming back to footwears, all that commonly used products we are with them. And healthcare facility. Now the awareness has come after COVID, all the healthcare about healthcare. We are into all the healthcare facility, healthcare suppliers, medical equipment, pharmaceutical. We play a very key role in pharmaceuticals. And coming back to final slide about the industry. We are into IT, BPO, KPO, IT software products, and we are into marine and port. We are a very key player in the marine and port. Some few of the products are approved by IMPA, Indian Products Marine Association. We are exporting to Singapore for marine. We are exporting to Dubai for marine. We are exporting to Hong Kong for marine. All the key ports we are supplying. And coming back to other industrial products, industrial gas, machinery. I'm talking about other areas, oil and equipment services, oil marketing. Well, the core area, one of the 8 segments on the basis of which GDP is decided is petrochemicals, refineries. So we are into that. Again, iron and steel is one among the 8 sectors. We are into iron and steel too. We are the regular clients we are the regular vendor for Tata Steel Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited, and Bhushan Steel, which is aligned to Tata Steel. Coming back to telecom services, again we have very specialized coatings into that, and we are into paper and paper products, roadways and highways, and finally textiles. You can see the length of our industries, where the message I would like to convey to you is your money is very safe, because the company products is not dependent on any one industry. It is spread across all the industries, and our product base and our marketing potential is very huge. So these are the industry which we discussed last time. These are clients of the industry. You can see it looks like who is who of the industry. All very big clients are associated with this. Electricity, NDPC is with us. Oil and gas, Kain Energy is with us. Mines, NMDC is our client for the last 12 years. Refinery, Indian Oil, CPCL, Chennai Petroleum is our clients. Cement, I already discussed with you. Coal, Mahanadi Coalfields, the long-term clients. Steel, I have discussed with you. Again, coming back to sugar, Rajeshri Sugar, Shakti Goods, they are our partners. Coming to automobile, BMW, TAPE, our clients. As far as construction is concerned, we are associated with the EPC contractors, L&D, Thorson Tibro, Tata Projects, and fertilizers, National Fertilizers Limited. Recently, we have done a job for 30 lakh rupees for their Vijaypur plant. It was very successful. And shipyards, we are into shipyards, food and beverages. We are associated with Amway. We are supplying many hygienic products, antimicrobial coating to Amway. Defense, as I explained to you, we are with the defense to healthcare, transmission and distribution, pulp and paper, and our railways. So we are exporting more than 25 countries across 6 continents. Africa, Asia, Europe, North and South America, Australia, and Oceania. So with this, I have completed the brief about our organization. Coming back to products line, it's very interesting products, but at the same time, it's very difficult to understand. I'll try to make it simple as possible. Try to simplify the concept. So one is maintenance, repair, and overall. These are major products where here the margin are quite attractive. I can say here very few competitors or almost zero competitors for us. If we receive any inquiry, the hit ratio is not 99%, 100%. The order comes to us only. What is metal repair composites? Metal in the paste form. You know the paste, like something like toothpaste. I'm putting it very raw way, but just to make you understand, I'm putting it in a raw way. Metal repair composite, it is something like available in paste form. Once you mix both the components, two component system, resin and hardener, or people call it base and activator. Once you mix the two components, it becomes a rock like metal. So you can repair any machinery and equipment inside the plant where the metal is lost. But the lost metal, lost metal, where the metal is not lost, where there is a wear and tear due to operation, erosion, cavitation. So these problems can be addressed with the metal composites, and you can reclaim the equipment, restore the equipment, retrofit the equipment as good as the original equipment. The cost is only maximum 10 to 12% of the original equipment cost. I like to give an example. Take an example. Example pump. For example, pump. Say you are handling a cooling water pump. Cooling water pump, the components of say impeller, casing. Say for example, it will get worn out, eroded and corroded. So the option for you is what? But to scrap it. When you do the scrapping, it works out to be maybe 25 rupees per kilo, 30 rupees per kilo. That's it. You get few thousands of rupees. What is the other option for you? To replace the equipment. When you replace the equipment, it costs 2 lakhs of rupees, maybe 10 lakhs, maybe 15 lakhs. As a thumb rule, I told you, only with the help 10 to 12% of the cost, we can restore the entire equipment. It will perform as good as the original equipment. Same like the original equipment will perform for say for 3 years. Our repair also will repaired material also will work for 3 years. Like that, we can retrofit any machinery and equipment. That's why the core line I put it on the top. We are into repair and maintenance of any aging assets, which were likely to scrap it, we can repair it. And with a fraction of replacement cost, as I told you, within 10% of the cost, we can restore the equipment. Next, coming to the pump efficiency improvement coating, we all know the operation cost of pump is 95% of the cost is only uh, electricity only, energy. So, and the pump efficiency generally, even the original pumps, it gives a efficiency of only 67% only. By which we have a very specialized coating. It has got a very low surface tension, lotus effect kind of thing. You know how the water flows on the lotus leaf. That kind of water repellent coating we give. So due to the very smooth coating, the water glides over the pump. Not only water, for that matter anything that handles the pump handles that just glides over it. So the pump efficiency improves up to 7% in case of old pump, and up to 20% in case of old pumps. And what is more is the energy saving. You get an average saving of 4%. So that means what your return on investment is you get within 15 days. So whatever the money you invest, you get in 15 days. And when you talk about life cycle cost, it will running into few lakhs of rupees, millions of rupees. Suppose it sounds like if you invest 5 lakh rupees, will be but saving potential will be something like 20 lakhs. Like pipe repair and resynthetic kits mixed products is again a wonderful product. You know, many places the wall thickness of the pipeline get eroded. Pipelines running into kilometers together. We call it sometimes, pipeline goes into 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, 20 kilometers. So where the customer do not have options. They cannot do welding because pipe may be handling water, pipe may be handling gas, very explosive gases. So how do you reshunt the pipeline? Sometimes the wall thickness of the pipeline generally it is about 12 mm, that got reduced to 6 mm. So in situ condition, if you want to rebuild the pipeline and give the strengthening of the pipeline, the only option is the metal repair composites, our option only. Where we have got a polyurethane dispersed product, where we just wind it up, it strengthens the pipeline. Sometimes even the original pipeline gets punctured, but not the one which we have repaired with our products. Then coming to metal epoxy strip, that is about for sealing the active leakages. And the leakage is oozing out. So transformer oil leakage, or it is a water leakage from the tanks, over tanks, or it could be some gas leakages. Anything active leakages under up to 100 psi and 100 Fahrenheit. It simply arrests in 5 minutes time. And epoxy syringes, again, it is for the minor repairs. And we have a 50 products of mechanical maintenance aerosols. All the aerosols, so basically what's the concept of aerosols? Just spray and fix the problem. So mechanical maintenance aerosol, few examples I can count on you. Suppose we have some rust. This is a very common example I'm giving because so that people can understand. Suppose there is a rusted nuts and bolts are there. You just spray our pen oil. It just loosens the rust and you can easily unbolt the nuts and bolts. Likewise, we have anti-seize products. We have lubrication products, anti-seize. We have chain lubricant, wire lubricant, and we have a belt dressing spray where it gives the grip to the loosening belts. So many products we have. We have about 50 products in that. Talking about electrical maintenance aerosol. So again, we have 50 products, very specialized product. Moisture is a big problem in electrical equipment. We have a very beautiful spray You just spray and it displaces the moisture. Once the moisture displaces, it avoids all the arcing problem, flashover problem, everything. We have insulating varnish where the broken insulation is there. You just spray this coating and insulation is restored to the glass edge or glass shape. And we have even online certain to the certain volts up to online also you can clean it. We have very beautiful cleaner which is used for a very costly. Some printed circuit boards are cost and even 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. So these cards are used cleaned with our electronic component cleaner. It's a very plastic safe. So we have a battery terminal coating. The positive terminals and negative terminals. We give a battery terminals coating, protective coating against acid sulfation. So this again covers about 50 products. Okay, all these products on the request, we can send you all the details. Dear participants, for all the details, you can ask for us. Details are given in the contact list. You can ask for the list, we can share it with you. Emergency kits is like a first aid kits. It is like a kits where we put all the important products depending on the application. Supposing it is a uh, uh, storage tank leakages, or say transformer oil leakage. We put all the products, stopping all the products connected to transformer oil leakage. The person can carry the kit to the side and fix the leakage. Like that, we have all the application. We have kits like belt conveyor repairs, mechanical kits. So we have about 30 40 kits available, depends on the application. Wear protection solution. Due to the sinters in steel plants and cold thermal plant, there is always a wear and problem in the tools and hookers, where we have a very good ceramic based products that gives a very good wear protection that extends the life of the equipment. And another beautiful product called crusher backing compound. Crusher backing compound. Crusher backing compound. See, we have started this company with crusher backing compound. Today, you name any OEMs, all the OEMs, they are with us. Almost 7 OEMs are there. Big names like Mitsu, Sandvik, all the big names are Terex, Bexton. They are all with us for the last 15 years. We have started our company only with this one product, first product, pressure backing compound. So due to the early advantage, they are with us for a very long time. I can say we are catering to almost 70% of the pressure backing compound market in the India. So what is pressure backing compound? It is used in the back of mantle and concave to give the cushioning effect to the crushers. Coming back to metal stitching and online leak sealing, these are the service-oriented products. Metal stitching is like a CA and MS, like blast furnace kind of thing. Very, very critically given. If there is a crack, we do a very metal stitching. We do metal stitching services. And coming back to online leak sealing, high pressure, high temperature leakage. When we talk about high pressure and high temperature, I talk about 500 degrees Celsius and 5000 PSI. We are into that. With this, maintenance, repair, and overall product is over. It is mainly used for mechanical maintenance and electrical maintenance. Coming to construction chemical, these all mainly connected to civil assets. Civil assets means your buildings, your home, buildings, and infrastructures like roadways, bridges, all the infrastructure, and FDN treatment plan, sewage treatment plan. So um, all the assets which is connected to civil infrastructure, we are into that. right from the roofs to basement or basement to roof. We are connected to everything. Not only in operation and maintenance, we are into new projects also. So on the rooftop, we are doing liquid membrane waterproofing, and we do crystalline waterproofing too. Very few companies have the combination of crystalline and liquid water membrane. We have a very combination of both. The difference between liquid membrane and crystalline waterproofing is this. Liquid membrane will be acting as a separate barrier, whereas crystalline waterproofing, it becomes an integral part of the building. And we have 1K moisture curing waterproofing. Even 10% moisture also, when it is wet on to concrete also, you can apply this product, the compound will cure. And we have waterproofing membrane and wrapping types. And we have very beautiful product called heat reflective coatings. So roughly about every 1,000 square feet, we can save about 10 kilowatts. That is a kind of meaning that you can make it an energy efficient building. You can make your building energy efficient. Not only it gives you the very good working atmosphere, also it contributes to the energy saving. Again, the same thing. Return on investment is within 3 months. When you talk about the net life cycle cost saving, it will be running into few lakhs. Joint sealant, floor skids and topping. When we talk about floor skids and topping, we are practically into working under all the chemistry, epoxy chemistry, polyurethane chemistry, cementitious chemistry, acrylic chemistry. So all the flooring connected to repairs, connected to all the flooring connected to flooring. We have all the solutions for the connected to flooring. It's very specialized coating connected to again flooring. ESG safe floor product. When you talk about ESG safe, I have to tell you what is ESG about. See, when you are watching this presentation in front of your laptop, you can feel the static surface. If it just put your hand in front of monitor, you can feel the static surface. These static surfaces are very dangerous when it comes to the plant like Nokia, Apple, assembly plant, mobile assembly plant, or electronic assembly plant, integrated circuit assembly plant, sensor assembly plant. There the static surfaces are very dangerous. Sometimes it may electrocute the person also. It may kill the person also. Not only getting shocked, it may kill the person also, and also that it may malfunction the equipment. The equipment will malfunction. That's why you can see in the MRI scans that are commonly used example, you can see this kind of coatings are because the static charges should be zero. So here with our coating, within 15 seconds, the static charges are subject to the ground. So 0% charges, no electrostatic charges. So this again we are giving to many electronic manufacturing company. We have supplied to 3 Chinese companies also. And coming back to dielectric safe floor topping, it's opposite to ESG charge. It's an insulation product. First one is it is a ESG charge. It's a conductive coating. This one is insulation coating. You see you must have noticed the inside the panel room. You must have seen rubber mat is put in front of every panels. That is again the dust accumulation will be there. So due to the dust accumulation, cascading effects will be there. But this we have a very beautiful coatings. With these beautiful coatings, we have a class A insulation, class B insulation. So it takes care of up to 11 kV and 33 kV, both LT and HT both. And we have surface treatment for heavy duty flooring. No. Leave it. The surface treatments for heavy duty flooring. And coming to traffic safety pavement markings, interior surface, exterior surface. And talking about retrofitting operations, retrofitting, rehabilitation, and strengthening, all the old assets can be retrofitted with our range of products. So you can see in the buildings like residential buildings or industrial applications. So that when it is touches 30 years, 40 years, asset becomes very old and the steel bar is getting exposed. So we can completely repair it, retrofit it, rehabilitate it, give the strengthening also. End of the day, you get another fresh life of 30 years. And we do injection in roads also. Injection in roads also. And anchors and dilatation also. And final, not final exactly, industry side is the final product. In protective coatings, we are into primers, bonding adhesives, we are into anti-corrosion coating for the chemical atmosphere, normal weather atmosphere, and acidic atmosphere, high temperature area, again interior, exterior. We have very wideness for all the different environment of the industry. We have polyurea coating, high temperature coating up to 700 degrees Celsius for silicon based temperature. For chimneys, especially recommended chimneys. Even for chimney, we have thermal aluminum sprays coating, where the chimneys when it is in charge condition, when chimney is under charge, when the temperature is there, you can coat this product. And we have again very special products like hot pipe coating, we call it. And generally, these pipes are insulated by rock wool insulation. About 50 mm rock wool insulation is given. By giving 50 mm rock wool insulation, the temperature is reduced to safe to touch temperature. For example, if the temperature inside is say 200 degrees Celsius, after you make a rock wool insulation of 50 mm, you get a safe to touch temperature of say 40 degree or 30 degree. Here, 50 mm is replaced by just 2 mm. And what is more is in rock wool insulation, you get a very big disadvantage question is corrosion under insulation. That means when the corrosion takes place, suddenly if there is a puncture, there is a blast in the pipeline, no one knows. Whereas here the corrosion can be monitored. What is more is the corrosion itself will not take place. That is the idea of the product. So that is CUI, we call it CUI in industry, corrosion under insulation. So number one, corrosion under insulation will not happen. Number two, there is a huge energy saving potential of 22%. Here too again, there is a saving of 2 lakhs of rupees when you calculate the ROI and life cycle cost. And next very key products is fire protective coating. You see many accidents these days in buildings. No one would have forgotten 2011 September, the Twin Tower collapsing of America. After that, all most of the countries have become very strict in the stringent in the national building codes. So we are into structural steel protection. So up to 2 hours, we can protect the structural steel from fire. The steel, what happens, steel, when it reaches 550 degrees Celsius, it loses 60% of the yield strength. That is what happened in the Twin Tower in America. Once it loses 60% of the yield strength, it gets collapsed. It loses the yield strength. The building gets collapsed. Like fire cable, it's again one of the fine example. We see many places in malls, shopping malls, textile malls. We see that due to the short circuit in electrical wires, huge fire accident takes place. So this can be avoided in this fire retardant coating. Generally, what happened with this that fire department people, everything. I'm not trying to blame, no. I'm just trying to explain the concept. They are on the active fire protection. They react to the fire. After fire comes up, they react to the fire. Fire hydrant system, that fire gas, through gas they extinguish the fire. But where is this case passive fire protection? It will not allow the fire itself to take place. it will self-extinguish the fire. So we are into wood, we are into cables, we are into steel, we are into concrete, we are into everything to protect the substrate from the catching a fire. Coming back to high voltage insulation coating, again the insulators are there: ceramic insulator, porcelain insulator, glass insulators. They are due to dust settlement. There is always a problem of arcing, flash showers. So this is again avoided by our super hydrophobic coating. So given the coating, it will not allow any dust particles to settle with. Next one is dust suppression system, where you can see that in the coal plants or mining plants, there is a huge stacker of the sand or iron ore and all that. So the dust will be in the atmosphere, polluting the atmosphere. So we give a dust suppression system. Thereby, by giving the coating, it just up to 4 inch of the coating, up to 4 inch of the stacker. It just make like a cake kind of thing. So the dust will not in the atmosphere. The dust will not suppress in the atmosphere. It will suppress the dust. Dust will not flow into the atmosphere. Due to which you save about 1/10 of the water consumption. Generally, people spray the water over these areas to suppress the dust. So you save the huge saving of 1/10 of the water, and it is a very good contribution to the environment for the pollution-free environment. Finally, it is super hydrophobic coating. It's a very non-based, very latest technology. It repels water, repels oil, repels everything. Oleophobic, hydrophobic, everything. And we do rubber lining services too. Thank you. We now move to next presentation. This very interesting, colleagues, friends. We are coming into so far for 20 years we are into industry division. Now we are coming into retail division. When we talk about retail division, again very innovative products. The products which other competitors do not have. When we talk about Asian Paints, Berger Paints, or say Dulux Paints, ICICI Paints, not any of them have this floor range what we have. Multicolor walls. We have multicolor wall. We have 3D flooring paints. Multicolor wall is means what? It just replaces your granite and marbles. Yes, what you hear is right. It replaces the granite and walls, granite and marble, just with the coating. So the advantage is, if you whenever you want to change the design of the marbles and granite, you can do that. There is no load factor. It's just with a very simple spray paints only. So you can decorate your multicolor. You can decorate your walls, outer walls, interior walls, everything. And we have 3D flooring paints. We have metallic flooring paints. So it's artistic. Okay. And you have color flex coatings. All you can decorate your floor, your living room. You can practically decorate your bedroom, living room, everything. Like you can be different from your neighbor. Your house decoration interiors can be absolutely different from the neighbor. We have liquid polished concrete, so tabletop decorative resins, acrylic spray decorative paints, anti-slip. Many people, elder people, they slip and fall in the bathroom, in the wet floor area. We have very innovative coating. The tiles texture will not change. The same time, it produces the anti-slippery surfaces. So by which we can save the elders from slip and fall accident. We have roof coatings for waterproofing, designer floor coatings. We have a P2P coating, anti-corrosion coating. We have wall paints. We have epoxy, polyurethane, fluorinated rubber paints, specialty paint, structural repairs, strengthening of beams and columns, grounds and anchors. Everything connected to your home. I'm talking about hardware part of retail. Again, very unique range. The metal repair composites, mechanical and electrical aerosols, pipe repair and resynthetics, metal epoxy strips, epoxy syringe, first aid kits, electrical and mechanical. This is our product range gets over. So we have finished now two segments. One is we have finished with one is we are over with organization part. The second one we are over with products part. Then we talk about investment opportunity. So this is a model I have given you. For example, for 5 lakh rupees, if you are investing in the company, for 5 years commitment, lock-in period is 5 years. When you have a lock-in period of 5 years, you get a returns of 10% after the lock-in period. But after the lock-in period of 5 years, you can redeem the amount, meaning that you can get back your amount after 5 years. And the next slide, as I told you, first come first serve is so first come first serve basis where we will be allotting the shares. Minimum limit will be 2-3 lakhs. Upper limit there is no limit. We are basically private limited organization can invite 200 members. We are reserving 10 members for emergency. We are inviting 190 members for first come first serve basis. Last date of investment 31st of this month. So who can be the participants of the preference shares? Our own staffs, clients, vendors, service providers, family and relatives, friends and society, other stakeholder, and maybe your friends. Your extended referrals. You can refer your friends also. If you have confidence in the company, you can refer your friends. The return on investment is 15%. Earlier on the rating, I committed 10%. Now I returned 15%. So there is a difference of 5%. The 5% will be given in the other forms that I cannot discuss in the open forum. So individually, we will address you, the investors, how the 5% will be distributed. At the end of the day, you will be getting 15%. These are the self-explanatory. What are preference shares, which can go through. So basically, what is preference share? It is basically the shares where the company, without diluting voting rights, they give the shares. There is only two shares. One is equity shares, other one is preference shares. Equity shares, your returns are not, there is no guarantee on your income. Whereas here there is a guarantee for 15% of our income. And in equity shares, of course, you have voting rights. Here you don't have voting rights. This is the major difference. When does a company issue preference share? When they want to raise the capital, as I told you at the beginning of the meeting, without diluting voting rights, we issue preference shares. And who can become the preference shareholder? Anyone can. But to fill the KYC norms, which we have given below, once you fill the KYC norms, our company secretary will suitably make you preference shareholder. See what happens if company goes bankrupt. As total, even to the extreme case, while thinking company goes bankrupt also, the first rate of acquiring assets goes with your shareholder only. Preference shareholder have the first rate of acquiring assets. Then only comes to equity shareholder, for that matter, even the board of directors. What is good about preference share? As I told you, same thing. Preference shareholders have the first right, and the dividends are ordered to next year also. They get priority over the ordinary shares, over the ordinary shareholder. That means equity, other equity shareholder. The preference shares are always safer. Fourth one, they are not easily available. Again, when it comes to the difference between equity share and preference share, it's the same thing. It's all self-explanatory. You kindly take your time and go through the differences very carefully before you invest the money. Fine. Now comes to the what is our promises from the company. One promise is 15%. That is a site 15% return on investment I committed to you per annum. There are some other indirect benefits also. I told you our products are very unique, very unique. That customer make upfront payment, take the material. In your area, if you want to take the dealership, we can offer you dealership. We can be the first preference to you. If there is no provider, if there is no dealer in your area, suppose we talk about indoor saying say there is no dealer, for example, we'll give you first preference, you become a dealer. If you are willing to work for the company, a lot of legwork is required. But having said that, very good attractive margins are assured, 35%. And as a sales consultant, what is sales consultant? What is dealership? Dealership is the one where you take the material from company and you bill it from your company. Meaning that you take the material from Monarch Industrial Products India Private Limited. Supposing your company name is Gupta & Co, you will be billing to Gupta & Co, and you will bill from Gupta & Co from your end customer. Maybe say Asian Paints, maybe NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, whoever is a customer can. Will support you too. Will support you. Will make you. Will give you authorized dealership. Will ensure that the dealership is exclusive. No one will interfere. The area allotted to you, the customer specified to you. No one will interfere. If someone interferes, they'll be removed from the dealership. So you are having that exclusive dealership benefit. And sales consultant is what? Someone, yes, have a good contacts, but no, not having enough funds to invest on business. We offer them sales consultant, where they go and canvas, work on behalf of company. They book orders, and we give 15% straight to them on the order value. Here some conditions are attached. The agreement link is given. You can go through and make yourself clear about it. Finally, we have a very good system called referral business advisor. There are many very senior people, very senior person. They must have retired or they don't have probably time to spend on business. So if they refer our name, that is sufficient. We take care of all the field works. We give 5% as a overriding commission for them. The difference between sales consultant and referral business advisor is the sales consultant has to work for himself. Referral business advisor don't have to work for himself. He can only use his contacts, goodwill to the company Monarch. By using his goodwill and Monarch contacts, we'll make use of the goodwill and contacts, and we'll take it to next level. Now we are talking about 3 crores to 60 crores. How it is possible? Almost 20 times of the turnover, 2000 percent growth. How it is possible? First, let me explain to you how we have become 3 crores company. 2018, we were doing about close to 15 crores. Now we only 3 crores. There is a dip in turnover from 2018 to last year, 2021. From 12 crores to 3 crores. Why? Yes, I don't know if I can share with you. Personally, it's a personal issue, but still I think I can share it with you. I went into some kind of depression, mental depression. Due to what? Due to killing of my sister in road accident. Thereafter, in another 1 year, killing of my brother in road accident. So, got into some kind of mental depression. I'm the main promoter of the company. Being the main promoter of the company, since I was not active, there is a dip in turnover. Now, with the God's grace, I'm very active. Come back to form. So, I'm guiding the company, mentoring the company, taking the company to next level. I'm very sure the 60 crores is not an optimistic figure. It is going to happen, and we already in this last 2 quarters we have surpassed our last year turnover. Not only surpassed, we have done 2 times of the last year turnover. Now, where are our domains? Export is our main domain. 20-25% of our turnover comes from export, and another 20% comes from government e-marketing place. I told you, that all central public sector enterprises, defense public sector enterprises, all blue chip companies, and Construction Industrial Database Council. Since we have registered with Construction Industry Database Development Council, Construction Industry Development Council, uh, we are now getting into roads for 100 smart cities. Across the country, there are 100 smart cities CDC is developing. We are into all the 100 smart cities. This given the inroads due to our registration national database of CADC. Another key area is retail. We are going to launch our products retail pan India. Sorry, pan global. All our concepts are worked on the global concepts only. Because we have a partners across the world, across India. We have about 125 partners. We work through them. And due to our very good understanding and partnership, we work always global. We have dealers and contractors, as I told you, channel partners we call it. Again, we have across globally. These are future plans. For sure, we are going to touch 1,000 crores by 2024 and 25. By the time, same time, immediately after completion of 2014 and 2024 to 2015, we're going to launch initial public offer. It means definitely the preference shareholder will be given first priority. And this year itself, we are going to launch overseas projects at Belarus, Malaysia, and Canada. We have already identified the partners. The places are identified, and all the documentation agreements are in the process going on. So we are going to partner with them within this financial year. And as I told you, all the things are global. We talk about sugar industry. The sugar industry, the process of sugar industry is going to be same in Tanzania also, Belgium also. It's not going to change. So once we are successful in India, we can be successful as well to other countries too. And we have many international approvals that helps us to take us to global. So with this exactly 1 hour is over. You can get in touch with us. We have given our name of the company, our auditor, Mr. Jagdish, the company secretary, Mrs. P. Saraswati, the bankers are HDFC Bank. Right now, as of now, we're going to change the banker. As of now, our bankers are HDFC Bank. And now that I told you 31st October is the last date, we are going to meet again 18th October and 25th October. I am going to give a 3 presentation. Now that with this, I am going to give 3 presentation. And the people or your friends, if supposing if they have missed it, next Monday again there is going to be a presentation, same time, 15 to 17 hours. And again 25th, again another presentation. After that, we'll go for preference shareholder subscription. And we welcome you to be part of the Monarch family. We thank you so much for spending so much of your valuable time. Thank you so much again. Now, question and answer session. Now, friends, most of us can unmute a video also. If anyone wanted to ask questions, I'm ready to answer you as best as possible. You can kindly unmute and you can ask questions. Perhaps we'll wait for another 5 minutes, but I think it's a bit close to little early, I suppose. It's supposed to close at 5 o'clock. I thought maybe many questions and answers may come. If there is no questions and answer, we'll close it at 4:10. This perhaps you can even chart also. Sir, Sridhar sir, Sir Sridhar, okay, Kunna. Hello, hello Ji, sir, Mr. Bapat sir, you can start now. What is it? Mr. Nagit Attar, probably you are talking about quarters, third quarters of coming year. Last three you are telling. As I told you, Mr. Nagit, last year our performance not very good, as I told you, due to the personal reasons. Coming year, as I told you, I'm aiming for 60 crores. We have already lined up for the with many rate contracts, with the many annual maintenance contract. We should be touching minimum 60 crores. In fact, I'm aiming for 100 crores, but to the bankers I shown only 60 crores. Very good question, Mr. Nagir. Thank you. Any more questions, please? I expected attendance about 200, but unfortunately only 49 people. Probably short notice could be the reason. I'll again take it further to all my clients. Probably next meeting, I expect minimum 200 attendance when we meet again on 18th of October. The time is about 4:04. That's final, Mr. Abdus Momin. Yes, sir. The question is, what is the date of final redemption? How the shares are supposed to be redeemed? So I'm really sorry. I'm not really technically. I'm not. I can only say that after 5 years, this can be redeemed. And they are going to redeem? The company secretary can tell you better. I made a note of your number, sir, Mr. Abdus Momin. I'll ask my company secretary to personally talk to you. I think by 5 o'clock, the time is 4:05. By 4:30, you will have answer, sir. Very sorry that I could not answer because I'm not a competent person to answer this question. Yes, I know Boma Engineering. I know you personally. I could not answer you because as far as shares are concerned, company secretary is the best person to answer. She's supposed to sign due to some preoccupation. She could not join us. But definitely, I can ensure that she answers your question by 4:30, either through company secretary or through Venkatesh. Thank you very much for asking this question to me. Any more questions, please? Okay. The forum will be open up to 4:15. We'll try to. Mr. Naraz Bapat, sir, I can see in the slide. He's he has developed early days. He has developed most of our products. Can you see, friends, Mr. Naraz Bapat? He's now age 70 years. He's anchor for developing our products in the early days. Now he's happily enjoying his retirement life. But still, any suggestions, we always go to him without any hesitation. He answers our questions. Thank you, Mr. Abdes. As I was requesting like this, you can refer to your relatives, friends to join this. Definitely, they will not disappoint spending some 1 hour time. So this will be very interesting for them, for their business, for their sons, for their daughters. So business is something, and payroll is something. Payroll is over when you once you attain the age of 58 or maybe 60 years. Business, as long as you are alive, and even after you also, your, it goes to your son, goes to your daughters. So to the generation, the business goes. Like in my case, I am the first generation business person, but I am very sure my son will get benefited out of this. Maybe his son too, because I made the basics very strong. So like this, business is a very good opportunity, so that you can explore to your friends also, and with that so many benefits I offered you in the platter, definitely you will find it very interesting. I can see Mr. Menon sir. Menon sir is very silent, but still I would like to say something about
Good
him.
Prabhu.
When our company first started newly, we are not able to take the donkey orders. When Menon sir helped me, he was chief engineer that time in Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited of the Kodankulam project. If I remember right, we have done 372 tanks and three 372 overhead tanks and GLR, ground level reservoir, two RO plant and one ETP plant, everything under the supervision of Mr. Menon sir. Menon sir was very kindful enough to bear with us for our this thing. Earlier days we were not very professional as like we are today. We are very advising us, supervising us, and like due to his mentoring and advice, we have successfully completed 1.5 crores of the job, and we are very confident even to handle very bigger project. And thanks to Manan sir for this.
Yes, let me. Yes, good evening to you.
Please, sir.
Hello. Yes. I'm not on video, but I'm entirely out of video. Still, I'm hearing entirely, heard your entire speech. So it is very promising, and it is a novel idea of bringing up to develop the company by participation of your friends and relatives and vendors and all. So your idea is wonderful. So I wish all the very best to you for the new endeavors.
Sir, few words about yourself, sir, please.
So I am Murali Menon, as he is recently just now he mentioned about me, for which only I am just talking. I am not on video, so I am Murali Menon.
Now the project 1 and 2, sir is the only reason. Murli Manan sir is the only reason for project 1 and 2. Yes, successfully we are getting.
Yes. I get even today. I got a feedback that the tanks and the RO plant what you have repaired. Maybe that is in around 10, 12 years back, even much more than that. I think around 10 years, minimum 10 years back. I think minimum 10 years back.
And
I don't remember exactly the year
yes,
of work, but I got a feedback that even today it is performing well. So even today they remember me. In turn, I remember you for that particular job.
बहुत शुक्रिया sir. This your word will make a lot of
Yeah, in
lot
this
of it
forum,
will
I
go
just
long
want
way.
to make in
Go
this
long way.
forum that, and we'll try to meet you very soon. I'll
Yeah,
try to.
thank you so much, sir. And even Manan sir is handling international projects also. Across the world, he's handling many atomic projects too. He's been an advisor. And so now we are only 3 minutes left. Any more questions? Most welcome. So Sridhar is
Thank you.
taking up. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
So Sridhar, who is also silent, is taking over BARC projects, Baba Atomic Research Center. Mysore project he has handled very well. So Sridhar, why don't you talk just few words about BARC, what you have done job? So Sridhar, are you there? So thank you so much. Very wonderful meeting. Then my time clocks 4:15 now. Thanks once again. Thank you very much. I excited to see you again back on 18th of October. I request again that you just give some reference of your friends and relatives. Who are into the business, that makes more sense, you know. Who are already into the business. So thank you so much. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much.